Hey YouTube, I just got monetized. So how much am I going to get paid for my YouTube shorts? Well, I have been crunching the numbers and I think I've got an answer for you. Yeah, $333.33 per month. I think. I calculated all of this using a payout of $10 from the Shorts Creator Fund based on around about 100,000 views. Then, if we assume from the requirement of 10 million Shorts views over 90 days to monetize, a creator will average 3.3 million views a month. Based on $10 for every 100,000 views, that's $333 for 3.3 million views. Oh, that's some mighty fine frontier gibberish math, Rob. And it's going to be 100% wrong. The truth is, nobody yet knows how much they're going to earn from YouTube Shorts ad revenue. But it's coming, and it's fun to speculate, right? Creators could be averaging a lot more than $300 a month. They could be averaging a lot less. I'm going to go with the latter because of a potential huge sting in the tail. Stick around until the end to find out what that is. Right now, something called the Shorts Fund pays creators based on two metrics: how many shorts views a creator gets and the location of the audience that watches those shorts. None of this has anything to do with adverts. And with the Shorts Creator Fund, there are no requirements of 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million YouTube short views. Basically, if you got a lot of views, you might get paid, but you were never sure from month to month. But this Shorts Fund is coming to an end at the beginning of 2023 and will be replaced by a more complete YouTube partner program for Shorts creators, including ad revenue. Now, as you've been browsing through YouTube Shorts over the past several months, you've probably already seen adverts appearing every few shorts, like this one. And come next year, some of what the advertiser pays for this ad slot will start going directly to you. And this is where things get a little complicated, because that advert is not appearing on your video, it's appearing on the Shorts player, which you share with every other creator. Let's say this ad pays 20 cents for the slot. Who gets the money? Well, 3 shorts came before the ad and another 3 after the ad. YouTube say that they could distribute the revenue from the advert amongst all of these videos. But don't forget, some of these creators of these shorts might not be in the YouTube partner program, so I don't think they'll get any. Next up, let's talk about CPM. Or let's not, because I have no idea how that's going to be calculated. YouTube has been categorizing videos into niches for years, helping advertisers target specific audiences. But when an advert appears in between a sport, tech, dance, comedy, reaction, beauty tip collection of YouTube shorts, the advert can't really target any specific audience, can it? Unless, of course, the ad is based purely on user data and has nothing to do with the shorts they are watching. Nah. Don't know why I'm tapping my head. Doesn't get us any closer to finding out what CPM is. All right, this isn't working. Let's look at it from a threshold point of view. Sports and Touring wonders if the 10 million views requirement is an indicator of payouts, as anything lower than 10 million views won't come close to triggering the AdSense threshold. To trigger a payout from your YouTube earnings, you must have at least $100 in your AdSense account. For argument's sake, let's say that 1 million YouTube Shorts views earns a creator $5, and that creator gets 1 million Shorts views every single month. If that was the case, the creator would have to wait for almost 2 years before they got a payout. Typically, when a creator reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, once they monetize their content, they're probably earning around about $50 to $100 every single month, so they are going to get some payouts. So maybe 10 million YouTube Shorts views would be worth $50 in ad revenue. I know, I'm just spitballing at this point. And we haven't even got to the biggest problem yet. Revenue split. For long form content, it's quite simple. You, the creator, get 55% of the ad revenue, YouTube takes the other 45%. But when it comes to shorts, you only get 45% of something. In a blog post about the monetization updates, YouTube have been very careful with their wording, which states, from the overall amount allocated for creators, they will keep 45% of the revenue. Suspicious. What does allocated to creators mean? Let's speculate. Let's say an ad pays 10 cents. YouTube take their cut of 50%, which now leaves 5 cents allocated to creators. Now remember, you only get 45% of this pot. So where's the rest of it going? Let's go with music labels, shall we? Now I'm almost definitely wrong about who's getting paid how much. But the reason I'm wrong is because of a lack of transparency from YouTube on this point. And that has caught the attention of some pretty prominent members of the YouTube community, including Hank Green. I'll link the tweets in the description below the like button. So unfortunately, I don't think we're any closer to knowing how much you're going to earn from your YouTube shorts. But I don't want to leave you empty-handed. Let me know what type of shorts you make, how many views you get per month, and I'll let you know in the comments below how much you're going to earn. Wrong answers only. Now, you've already had a lot to say about these monetization updates, including the insane amount of watch time you're going to earn from your YouTube shorts to get 10 million views. It's all over here, definitely worth watching.